want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my hair down to find one. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being...
Hi everyone and welcome back to another vlog. And for today's vlog, iba-vlog ko yung one bedroom, no balcony na for sale dito sa Shore One Residences. So, if you're unit owner na gustong mag-add ng another investment, and ito is bigay lang sa akin ng susi ng unit owner. So, itong unit na to is for sale and for rent. And sa rent naman, kapag binili ninyo nito, pwede nyo siyang iparent ng from 20 to 25,000. Ang no balcony, depende po yun sa interior ng unit. So, itutour ko kayo. And this unit is 4 million net sa unit owner. So, kayo po yung mag-shoulder ng transfer. And yung mga appliances na andito, furniture, kasama na siya sa 4 million. So, itutour ko na kayo. So, 17th floor, Tower C. And yung unit na to is 3 step away lang. 3 door from elevator. Ito is Shore 2 Residences. Lahat ng unit na nandito facing Shore 2 is no balcony. Ayan. So ito yung ano niya, upper cabinet sa unit. So may tenant to be before nag-move out na, then plinan na nila na ibenta. Yan. Ito kasama na rin yung American Home na microwave and yung ref. 2-door bathroom area. So yan. May shower heater na rin. Ready na. And may washing machine. May mirror. Yan. So aayusin lang namin. And sofa. Ito yung bed dito. Sliding door dito ang partition din. So, okay pa naman. And cabinet. So, ano lang talaga siya, pang tenant. Pero kung gusto nyong bilhin, pwede nating i-upgrade. So, ito, ayusin pa namin to. So, ito yung facing ng unit and sa balcony. Yan. So, ito yung Shaw Boulevard. Pag diniretso nyo doon, isara ko muna to. Yun ang Shore 3. Kung may unit kayo sa Shore 2, ito yun. Shore 2 yan. Tower 3, Tower 2. Interested po to buy this unit, just email us at inquiry@talktoteamdale.com. And this unit is in Tower C, 17th floor. 1 bedroom, no balcony. Bye!